Okay.
You want some more? One more? No? You all done?
Mmm, spinach.
You want some? You're banging on the table like you want more. She's like, oh, this is difficult. There you go. Did you get some?
Oh, Sean.
You got some. Oh, good girl.
Oh, honey. Is that yum yum yums?
Alright, I think she's all done. Maybe she wants a little more in her spoon. You want a little more with your spoon? Really, Alex? I can't believe you're still eating. You ate the whole bottle. I mean, the whole jar full.
Yeah!